welcome back to my channel on another day of the 12 Days of Christmas series, where you guys will be seeing all the different hair tutorials. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and down below you're gonna see all of the 12 videos as they go by. If you subscribe to my channel, you would see the trailer, which will pop up a new link to each video every single day, so don't miss out. Press that button, like and subscribe. Also follow my Instagram, Mimi Styles. I'll drop the link down below, and also my TikTok to keep up with all of the latest posts and hairstyles. So as we begin, my client here is doing a side swoop with a half up, half down hairstyle. So of course she's doing it on her natural hair, no weave involved. So for any of you girlies who want to learn how to do this style on your natural hair, this is the video for you. So as we're starting here, of course we already blow dried her hair in the beginning. Now we're just making sure that we're finding the part for the side swoop, which, believe it or not, this was the most difficult part. Trying to find that side swoop took a lot, but don't worry girls, you're gonna get it. Along the way, I'll do a fast-paced and slow-paced process so you guys can see step by step what's going on. Enjoy!
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. So fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you.
this is what she used.